That was my nifty 50. I don't want to go look at that. It seems okay. Now I haven't actually dropped this thing like that before, so I was pretty worried. But anyways, what's going on, everyone? It's Cash, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing this RGB light that is by Weeylite. Anyways, not sure how you pronounce it, but I did pick this up, $70 on Amazon, and we're gonna unbox this and hopefully it performs well. This is supposed to be smaller, according to the manufacturer, smaller than a cell phone, and that'd be ideal for the traveling that I do. Let's go ahead and unbox it, and we'll see what we got in here, and then see if it's charged, and if it is, we'll go and play with it. Warranty documentation, user manual, which we never use, a mount, and then a USB-A to micro USB charger cable. And the light. I do like this. It's real small compared to a phone. Much smaller than my iPhone 11. It's a lot smaller. So we'll go with maybe like an iPhone 4S. So looking at the bottom, you got the spot for the mouse. Screw that in. All right, let's go ahead and power this thing on. We're at 10%. Now I'm gonna go ahead and change the percentage. I'm gonna turn this all the way up to 100%. Right now, this is only at 50%, so that is extremely bright for 50%. And here we go, all the way to 100%. This is what we're looking at. You got different modes. Brightness is at 100%, and we'll figure out what all of this stuff means. Mode 1. Start at 3200, then 4000, 5200 Kelvin, 5500 Kelvin, 6000, 7000, and that is it. So pretty much everything that you will find in the settings on your camera is what mode 1 is. All right, let's check mode 2. Ooh, 8400, 83. All right, so mode 2 is where I'm gonna want this. I like this because you can go in 100 increments, which me personally I like a lot better. Now the charge time on this, because I see that I'm already at 50%, 3 hours for a full charge. All right, let's check out mode 3. Ooh, 360. Change the color, the hue. I'm not sure. I guess I could look in the user manual and it'll explain to me. User manual, which we never use. Mode 4. Okay, so now we're getting into some real in-depth color science that I really have no clue about. So this is actually nice. You can set red, green, and blue percentages, and then go ahead and hit up the blue. Yeah, so that's a nice feature. Changing these, I honestly don't think I'll be using this very much as of right now, starting out, but that is pretty nice. All right, mode 5. What do we got for mode 5? Mode 5 is Streamlight. Now mode 6 is Thunder Flash. And that actually gets pretty damn bright. And I'm only at 55%. All right, so that's mode 6. Now mode 7 is Warning Light. So maybe, you know, if you're trying to pull somebody over, trying to pull a prank on a friend, you can get some flashing blue and red lights. I mean, that's something I would have done as a kid. And then turn the brightness all the way up to 100%. All right, so you got A, which is pretty quick intervals, and then B is a little bit slower, and then C is a little bit slower than that. Mode 8. Now that's going to be a scene mode. What that means, I don't know, but that's what it is. Looks like some champagne glasses. According to this, scene 1, you got bar, and we're going to end up having birthday, fairy tale, grasslands, sea wave, and then aurora and movies after that. So 7 different options under mode 8. Okay, so we got it unboxed, and overall, I mean, I do like this. We're gonna have 8 different modes, anywhere from 10% to 100%. And then my favorite mode is gonna be mode 2. And the reason why is because you could change the Kelvin from 2500 all the way up to, I believe it was 8400 in 100 increments if you have your custom white balance on and you like to set it specific to whatever it is. I think I'm going to enjoy this. It does feel durable and pretty hefty, and you actually have another screw hole on this side. So first impressions, looking at it, sturdiness, brightness, modes, different options that you have, I would definitely recommend this over the Aperture light. I can't say because I don't own one, but for $70, I know it's a little bit cheaper than the Aperture, and this one is in stock. You can get it tomorrow depending on where you're at and if you use Amazon. But yeah, again, definitely recommend this. If you like this video, go and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Most importantly, have a good day.